Hi, my name is Olivier from Activity Messenger, and in this video, we're going to create registration forms for trainings, whether it be internal trainings at your business or trainings that you might be offering other business or people at the public at large. You can create really seamless, easy to fill out forms that connect all the communications, attendance lists, and all that stuff. So let's jump in. This image here you can actually edit in Canva, so it's very simple to make it nice and on brand. And this is the form, right? So first thing we have here is, let's say we have a customer service training. I would go and edit here and then go and modify what that training is. What's the name of the training, the price, the attendance, maximum attendance, ledger code. You can add all these other options. What's the location of that training and what's the schedule, right? This is a one-off training, but maybe there's, I don't know, another one on the Tuesday as well. And then there's, another one on the Wednesday, right? And you have to attend all three or not, and I'll show you the different variations. You can add a registration period. You can also make this training a Zoom training. So if you use Zoom meetings, Activity Messenger is going to connect to your Zoom account and create the meeting for you. And then when you do send the reminder, because we have a full reminder kind of feature, say, hey, before this training, let's say 2 days before, please remind everybody who booked a training with us, either by email or SMS. And if it's a Zoom meeting, it's going to add a Zoom link in here. And then you can kind of modify this email or text, adding the placeholders or the mail merges that you want. So it gives them a timely message, X number of days before the training. And then it just makes it that the attendance is probably going to be higher. And then there's a bunch of other options that you can kind of build from there, adding a wait list and everything like that. You can add multiple different trainings on the same form or create a separate form for each of them. The employee would then put in their name, sign off maybe on different waivers that they need for the training. And then if you click on the plus, you'll have all these other new blocks that you might want to add. So let's say you have a yes, no question, or you want people to select maybe a menu option from a drop-down menu, right? So you kind of build them out. Some trainings will be in one way, others will be different. You might need them to upload, a PDF or an image. So there's a lot of different options that you can add to your form as you're building it. And then you're going to want to share it, right? So every form you create in Activity Messenger has a shareable link that you can send to people. You also have a QR code, and you can embed this directly on your website, whether it be on a button or on a full page on your website. You can also say, I want to send this form. That's going to bring you to our communications form. So you might say, okay, let's say it's an internal training for customer success. I'm going to select the specific list of employees. You can have multiple lists. And I'm going to say, I need to, please sign up for this training, right? And then when they click on this link, it's actually going to bring them to this training and they will to that form, and they will be able to sign up for that training, whether it be paid or free. And what that's going to do, so let's go see what that looks like. So let's say I'm an employee at a business and I click on register here. I would put my name in here. I would then scroll down, I read and accept, and click on continue. From there, if it's a paid one, it's going to create an invoice. So if it's external or if there's any kind of paid stuff within the business, you can charge. If not, it's going to be zero. So for now, I'm just going to click confirm and pay later. And there you have it. I'm now registered for this customer service training. If I go to respondents, I'm going to be able to see everybody who signed up on this form. And then I can go even further and click on attendance. And that's going to give me a full attendance list of everybody coming to that training. And then you can check them in, check them out, add notes, or even message people the day of, right? Let's say there's a snowstorm, you have to cancel. You can select everybody on that training and send out a quick text. So it's a very quick overview of what the platform can do for internal or any kind of services you might be providing to the general public or other businesses. If you like more information, you can visit activitymessenger.com.